Hello guys, so as I was saying yesterday that I'll be releasing Goblin EA, as you can see. So this robot is only trading these 5 symbols, okay. Then it's for MT4, so it's for MetaTrader 4. So let me add these symbols. Lot size, I'll be using minimum lot sizes. This one is both MT4. I see, I made the mistake. Let me start. Lot size 0.01. Here is both MT4. Done. Here btcusd. So here everything is the same. MT4. .01 both. MT4 done. 0.01 both MT4. Okay, 0.01 both MT4. So let's confirm our lot sizes on MT4. Let's see. Okay. This is our first lot size. Okay. Okay, so that means everything is fine. Okay. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 symbols. Go to home. Done, guys. As you can see, this is our EA, Goblin EA. When we press start, you can see. You can see gold BTC. Yeah. So guys, I'm done. Even here you can change the mode, guys. So I'm out, guys. As you can see, I'm out. Peace, guys. Peace.